Welcome to the Belly Up Bar again. This is what we're going to be making today. It's called a UNISPHERE. It's from old Playboy Club recipe with some modifications, slight to my taste. First thing we're going to do is get us a stirring glass. I already have the fresh lime. I've got the martini glass cooling. These will be the ingredients. That's homemade grenadine. I'm going to use Seale's 10-year-old Barbados rum today, and some Herbsaint. Original calls for Pernod, but I think this is pretty good. And I'm going to add a little bit of Nellie Joe's key lime, which gives it a little bit of zing. So we'll set this up right here and start mixing it up. The first thing it calls for is 1.5 of the RL Seale. There are several dark rums that will work with this, but this one tastes pretty good. Persian lime juice, 3/8 of that. So we're going to aim for half of the lime juice. So I'm just putting a little bit in the bottom, and the rest with the Persian, the normal limes you buy. So we end up with 1/2 of the lime juice. 2 teaspoons of grenadine. This is homemade. I'll be making that again on a later video. One, 2, 1 teaspoon of Benedictine, and 1 teaspoon of Herbsaint. Right. Put the ice in last. Keep a small shard in the martini glass to keep it cool after I pour the liquid into it. Give it a stir. I use a Seale strainer for the pour. And there we have it. This is the UNISPHERE, and give it a try. I hope you like it.